I'll show you quickly how to replace a light bulb for the turn signal on a E92 BMW 328xi or 335, any E90 to E93 model. And so one thing that I've noticed is that the bulb is pretty different from conventional light bulb for turn signal. And this one actually I had to get it from BMW. This is the new one right here. And which was kind of hard to find, so I had to go to BMW to get this light bulb. When I went to AutoZone and asked for a light bulb, they gave me this, which is completely different. And so I'm going to show you quickly how to replace this. Basically what you need to do, you can either remove the whole front passenger wheel or driver's side wheel, depending which side light bulb you need to replace for the turn signal. But basically you don't need to remove the wheel. You can just turn the wheel on one side just to clear the space here, and you have several of the screws, 8mm, 10mm screws, to remove the liner, just so you can get this portion on this side, this half loose, and that way you can just kind of peel this back here. And then you'll see here, right here, this is where the light bulb is supposed to go for the turn signal. And how you remove that is on that hole that I just showed you. This bulb is placed like this. All you have to do is turn this maybe about 30 degrees this way and then pull it out. In my case, I had to actually use some pliers to pull this out. It was pretty, I guess, snug, even though I turned it all the way to the left side, about 30 degrees. So once I pulled it out, what you need to do is you press these two tabs here and you twist it, and then the bulb comes off. Then you put in a new one. So here's the new one. Basically, I'm gonna put it right here. Trying to do this one-handed. Okay, here we go. I had to use two hands to basically clip this on. And so this is snug. So now we have to do is just go back here and insert this into the hole right there. Okay, so I got it back in there. I'm not sure if you can see, it's kind of dark. So once you put the bulb back in with the socket, I'm not sure if you can see, it's kind of dark. You just move it to the right about 30 degrees and as far as it will go, and then that's it. And then you test the light bulb, make sure it works, and it's working both sides. So if you are looking for a light bulb for your BMW for the turn signal and you can't find it at AutoZone or a local auto parts store, you can just go to your BMW dealership or go online. I think also maybe fcpeuro.com may have this as well. And this is the part number if you need it for the light bulb. Hope you guys have found this video helpful, and I'd greatly appreciate if you guys would like, subscribe, and leave any comments below if you have any questions. And if you'd like to check out my other videos on my project 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle, check it out on my channel, and let me know what you guys think.